I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to disable two-factor authentication on your Rogers account, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Log into your account. Before changing your settings, use the ishraq.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 2. Navigate to security settings. Once logged in, go to the account settings section and find the security tab. Step 3. Access two-factor authentication. In the security section, look for the option labeled two-factor authentication or 2FA. Click on it to proceed. Step 4. Disable two-factor authentication. You should see a toggle off checkbox to disable two-factor authentication. Turn it off and confirm any prompts that appear. Step 5. Log out and test. After disabling, log out of your account and try logging back in to ensure that two-factor authentication is no longer active. If you encounter any issues, make sure you're not using an outdated browser, as that can sometimes cause problems with account settings. I hope this helps you manage your account more easily.